So it's a complete package. Once again, I'm telling you that this is the one of the most powerful PDF editor I have ever experienced in my life. Hi everyone, my name is Mohammed, and in this easy to follow tutorial we will learn how we can edit our PDF for free. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the PC. I am on my PC and we have 4 different PDF editors with their possible pros and cons. And the first one we have is Microsoft Word. I have a PDF file on my desktop and I'll just open Word and I'll drag the file and drop it into the Microsoft Word. So within a few seconds it will give me a message that
Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit text.
So that's perfectly fine and I'll click OK. So within few seconds the Word will open your PDF and you can edit it whatever you like. You can add a picture, you can add another text or anything you want. So I'll again save this document as a PDF. I'll just press F12, then I'll click on save as type PDF, and just make sure that your file name must be different from your original file. So I'll choose this, and then I'll click save. Within a few seconds your PDF is ready. But one caveat we have with Microsoft Word is that we must have an Office suite installed on our PC. Our second PDF editor is www.sejda.com. Now I am on Sejda.com, so just hover your mouse to edit and click edit. And it's an online PDF editor which will edit your files for free, and it can even fill and sign your PDF. So you just have to upload PDF file. So I'll upload my PDF file which is on the desktop and click open. And within few seconds your PDF is ready to edit. You can insert text, links, forms, images, sign, and even annotate your PDF. You can apply any changes to your PDF you want, and then click on apply changes. And after a few seconds you can download your PDF to your laptop, Dropbox, OneDrive. But again, we have one little bit of problem with Sejda.com. It says their files stay private. That's okay. Automatically deleted it after 2 hours. So but free service for documents up to 200 pages or 50 MB and 3 tasks per hour. To unleash the full potential of the Sejda.com, you have to pay a little bit of prices. Our third PDF editor is www.smallpdf.com. So that's the home screen of smallpdf.com. I'll scroll a little bit down and then I'll choose this option, edit PDF. And now I'll upload my file and upload the same file which is on my desktop and click open. And within few seconds your PDF is ready to edit. In Smallpdf you have to keep in mind that you can't remove the existing text or images in your PDF, but you can add images, add shapes, and add text like this. And you can also highlight, draw on your PDF. And then after this you can download your PDF, you can save it to Drive, you can save to Dropbox and save it to your Google Drive. And last but not the least, we have www.libreoffice.org. So I'm on libreoffice.org, and let me tell you something, that this is one of the most powerful PDF editor I have ever experienced in my life. So if you can donate, please donate to the people who are working behind this awesome project. But one thing you have to keep in mind, that you have to download the complete suite of LibreOffice. It means we have our document, presentation, spreadsheet, and drawing available in libreoffice.org. So I'm on LibreOffice, and you can see that you can create a document, spreadsheet, presentation, drawing, a math formula, even a database. So for the sake of this tutorial, we'll just edit our PDF file. I'll hover my mouse to open file, and then I'll choose the PDF and click open. Let me zoom in a little bit. So you can see that it's looks similar to the Microsoft Office Word, but they have created this awesome PDF editor. In this we can change our page layout, orientation, background, and custom margins. And when we click on this image, we have image editor, and then I'll click on the paragraph. We have our properties. In this we can bold, italic, underline, we can justify our text, we can have spacing option, indent options, and we also have list options. So it's a complete package. Once again, I'm telling you that this is the one of the most powerful PDF editor I have ever experienced in my life. So once you have edited your PDF file, just hover your mouse to file and click on export. And in this we have multiple options, and in save as type click PDF, and then choose your location and hit save, and it will give us some options. Just export it and your PDF is ready.